Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add bank details on H&M. Okay, so do you want to streamline your H&M shopping experience by adding bank details? Okay, so if you want to do that, I'm going to walk you through how to add bank details to your app, making your checkout process smoother than ever. So first step, launch the H&M app on your smartphone. If you haven't installed it yet, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for H&M and install it. Once installed, open the app. Also, open the app, tap on the account icon usually found at the bottom of the screen. Tap sign in, enter your registered email and password. If you're new, tap sign up to create an account. After signing in, go ahead and tap on the account icon, typically represented by a person or profile silhouette at the bottom corner of your screen. Now, this will take you to your account settings. Now, if I tap on that account icon, my entire screen is going to go blank. That's because H&M is security sensitive. So there's a security code that they do not want you to copy once you click on this. But I'm just going to click on it, however, to just show you how it works. So once you tap on that, it's going to take you here. Now select settings, and once you select settings, it's going to take you to your account settings. Now from your account settings, go ahead and click on view payment details. So once you tap on it, you'll be able to manage your payment details from this window. Now from this payment details window, even a couple of options, just go ahead and tap on add payment method. Now here, now there are currently no cards saved. You can add new payment methods at checkout. That's the memo they're sending right here. So once you receive this memo, all right, once you receive this memo, you can just go ahead and select any products that you want. Let's say I need this product and it takes me to this window. I just want the continue to checkout window to button to be enabled. Says my internet connection is slow, so I'm just going to click on continue, and here I have my information. I have to add all my information. Then once I add all my personal information, it's just going to take me to the last page where I have to add my payment options. So in there, just go ahead and add your payment options. Now you can enter your card details, including card number, expiration date, and CVV, or you can use PayPal. Just log into PayPal account and link it, or you can use Apple Pay. If you're using an iPhone, you can link your Apple Pay account. Now select your preferred method and follow the on-screen instructions to add your bank details. Once you add it, then it's going to be added to your payment details in your settings, in your account settings, and that's it. So once added, you can now set this payment method as your default for quicker checkout. Once you tap on set as default in your settings page. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.